In today's video, I will walk you through how to use WaterC Flat Decay Tilt in Krita. Create a new canvas, then select the Brush tool by pressing B. Open the Brush Presets docker, search for WaterC Flat Decay Tilt, and select the brush. Choose your foreground color, then adjust the brush size using the bracket shortcut keys or the size slider. Start painting with light pressure to create soft watercolor strokes with a subtle decay effect. Use different pen angles and tilt movements to adjust the shape and texture of your brush strokes. Increase the pressure to create darker colors and stronger marks while maintaining the watercolor texture. Apply multiple strokes to gradually build up color and detail. Use the color picker by holding Control to sample nearby colors and continue painting for smoother color transitions. Adjust the brush opacity or flow if you want softer and lighter effects. WaterC Flat Decay Tilt is perfect when you want to create textured watercolor strokes with varied edges and natural brush movement. It is great for adding depth and a handmade watercolor feel to your artwork. This brush is useful for watercolor illustrations, textured painting, landscapes, foliage, backgrounds, and adding unique stroke details. And that's how to use WaterC Flat Decay Tilt in Krita. Thank you for watching the video.